Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI video generators with a comprehensive review of Kling AI and Gen 3. Is Kling AI better than Gen 3? Could it be the worst or best AI video generator on the market? So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Kling AI, developed by Q Technology, is known for its impressive realism, creating videos with exceptional detail in light, shadow, and motion. However, on the free plan, video lengths are limited to just 5 seconds. While Kling AI can produce stunning videos, don't expect every result to be perfect. Often, it takes hundreds or even thousands of attempts to get an acceptable video. This issue is common with many AI generators, including Kling AI, Sora, Gen 3, and others. Companies often showcase only their best results, leaving out the less impressive ones. Another strong contender in this field is Runway's Gen 3 Alpha. This model offers significant improvements in video quality, consistency, and motion. It provides versatile scene generation, precise temporal control, and customization options, making it ideal for media companies. Runway Gen 3 is known for creating visually consistent and stylistically controlled content. So, how does Kling AI stack up against Gen 3? Kling AI's strengths lie in the realistic video production, capturing details of light, shadow, and motion. It offers flexibility with different resolutions, aspect ratios. Plus, Kling AI is now available for free worldwide, allowing up to 6 generations per day without needing a Chinese phone number. However, the 5-second video limit on the free plan can be quite restrictive for creators looking to produce longer content. While paid plans offer more features, this limitation can be a barrier for many users. On the other hand, Runway Gen 3 Alpha, the first in a series of new models, focuses on improving fidelity, consistency, and motion over its predecessor. It's trained on a new infrastructure for large scale multimodal learning, combining video and image training. Gen 3 Alpha powers various tools including text to video, image to video, and text to image. In summary, Kling AI stands for its focus on realism and advanced physics simulation. Despite the 5-second limit on the free plan, its quality and accessibility make it a notable player in AI video generation. And that's pretty much all about it. Stay tuned for more on the latest AI technology and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates and reviews.